Hi guys, this is Mahesh from Deep Technologies. Today we will unboxing MB20 face-based biometric machine. During the COVID-19, please, we are only suggesting face-based machine to customers. Okay. See here is the model number, that is the MB20 plus ID. Okay. This is the serial number which is used if we are connecting this biometric machine with a cloud software or web application software. At the time this serial number will be the used. Now we will see the unboxing of MB20 biometric machine. In this machine you will get biometric machine, the stand and power supply. Okay, now we will connect the power supply to the biometric machine. See, we will connect the power supply. This is the power supply. We will connect it. Now machine is starting. See, here is the display, here is the camera, and these are the two LEDs which is used in a night vision. So in a night vision your face can be easily read using these LEDs. This is the fingerprint sensor. Okay, these are the buttons, and here is the menu button. Okay, this is the menu button. Now we will see. Now we will first click on menu button. Now see, this is the menu. Okay, in this you will first get user management, user role, communication, system, personalized data management, access control, USB manager, attendance search. This is the up and down button which we can scroll down or upwards. Okay. Now we will see one by one. Okay. This in user management, the user management is used to enroll a new user into the biometric machine. Now see, in user management we will click the OK button. OK. In this case you will get first option, that is the new user. Another option is the all user and display style. In new user we will enroll a new user ID. In this case user ID, when click OK, you can enter any user ID. Suppose I will enter 1001. OK. Name. Suppose I want to enter a name, then here you will see the right key to switch input method, left key to backspace, the A. Okay. Suppose I want to enter name, there is the Mahesh, M A H E. Suppose I want to backspace, this is the backspace button. Okay, this is used for the backspace, this, right? Now E S H. Okay, now click on OK button. Now we will go user role. User role either normal or super admin. This super admin, that means the person who is an admin only accessible to this biometric machine, or we can say only he has the authorized person to enroll another person. Nobody will be has access to this machine to enroll the user. Okay. Also using this, suppose if you want to download a data using the pen drive, this pen drive is option is here. Okay, using this you can also download a raw data from the biometric machine. Okay, so at that time only the authorized admin person is accessible, is allowed to access this biometric machine. Okay. Now here is the option is the fingerprint, face. Now we will see the enrollment of the face in MB20 machine. Okay, you will
Focus lies inside the green box. Thank you.
now enrollment is done. Then we will check all users. In all users you will get the enrollment on all enrolled users like Mahesh. Now we will check, okay, attendance.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is the safest way to mark your attendance or employees attendance. Okay, there is no touch for this required for this machine. Okay, now we will see different options also in menu button. Okay, there is a communication option is there. In communication we will get the Ethernet. Okay, if you want to connect this machine to your PC, okay, or you want to download all data on your PC, so for that purpose it is necessary to put to install a eTime TrackLight software. Okay, eTime TrackLight software on desktop PC. So after that, putting that software on desktop PC, we have to connect this machine with that software. Okay, for that purpose this Ethernet IP address is used. Okay, we have to put the setting, all the things here. Now see, this is there is a one option. This is the PC connection. Okay, this is cloud server setting. Cloud server setting is used if we want to connect this biometric machine with the web application software. Okay, so in a web application software we use this option. If we want to connect this machine to the web application, then cloud server setting is used. In data management option, you can delete the data, you can restore data, you can backup the data. Okay, in delete data you have different options available: delete attendance data, delete all data, delete admin role, delete access control, delete user photo, delete wallpaper. Now most of the time we use only the delete attendance data or delete all data. Delete all data, that means all data will be deleted, like the enrollment of the employee, as well as the transactions of the employee records, as well as the records of that employee. So we will go delete all data option. Here is we can click on OK button. Okay, now we will delete all data. Okay, now see, here is attendance search option is there. Attendance search option means if you want to check the attendance, okay, then we will see the attendance of particular employee through this option also into the machine directly. For example, 1001 employee code is there and we want to search the employee attendance by month wise, like for example in this week or in this month, then we will use this option, that is the attendance search. In attendance search you can search the attendance of that particular employee into these particular machines itself. Okay, then system info option. In system info you will get all device capacity. The device capacity of the MB20 machine is the 1000 faces. Okay, that is the use. Okay, and in 1000 faces, that means you can put minimum maximum 1000 employees or minimum 200 to 300 500 like that. But one remember one thing. Okay, basically when you put 1000 faces, okay, into this machine at a time, might be possible in some after some weeks or after some month, okay, it can be hacked. So it is not that, okay, it is not that only put up to 800 or 900 faces only into this machine. Basically so your machine can be work properly. But if you put 1000 out of 1000 faces itself, then might be possible in future it can be hang. Now we will see the stand of this biometric machine, the MB20 biometric machine. Okay, this is a stand. Okay, now while installing this stand, okay, from ground level, it will require to put this stand at 3.5 feet distance. Okay. Now while installing biometric machine, okay, now see how it looks after installation. Looks as a angle is the 45 degree of the camera. Okay, this has to be kept in this way on stand. So if we find this is the angle and this is the machine, like that. Okay guys, thank you, bye.